Hey, hi! This is your Sanjukta aka Aludiki and welcome to my channel. First of all, good morning everybody. I know my voice. So, फिलहाल it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning and it's Monday, which is 21st September, I guess. Yeah. So from today, I'm gonna do my weekly vlog, just a thing where I will be vlogging my whole schedule, and let's see how it goes on. So starting in the morning, I take warm water plus amla. I don't know what amla is called in English, but yeah, amla juice I take and I mix it well, and then I take so-called mints and what is it? मनुके को क्या बोलते हैं, रेजन्स एंड सोक्ड रेजन्स, बट आज मैंने वो नहीं भिगाए बिकॉज इसको लास्ट रात को भिगाने का रहता है. सो आज से वार्म वाटर एंड आमला जूस विल डू. आफ्टर दैट आई विल शो व्हाट माय ब्रेकफास्ट इज गोइंग टू बी. सो लेट्स गो. हाय गाइस. मैं लेट उठी बहुत, अभी उठी मैं. तो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट का पार्ट व्लॉग करना भूल गई. यही प्रॉब्लम है, डेली व्लॉगिंग में मेरे को आदत ही नहीं है. तो बट क्या, तो नाउ आई विल शो यू गाइज माई लंच. सॉरी, मैंने आधा खा लिया. दिस इज़ 2 चपातीज एंड दिस इज़ घेवड़े का भाजी. अब आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड इन, और इसमें इफ़ यू कैन सी इट्स अ पीनट्स ऑल्सो. सो या, दैट्स इट. फिर अभी फॉर 4 PM or 5 I will have some crunchies to munch, and then I have my dinner at 6:37, and then at night I have fruits or haldi doodh or anything. So yeah, pretty much that's my diet, but yeah, I'll keep the follow up for sure. Oh my god guys, आज का weather is so amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really amazing. Like it's raining and अभी तो clouds भी, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, खड़खड़ रहे थे. Clouds were thundering. Oh my god, what a day. See, I'll show you. It's raining here and it's really so cool. I am totally loving today's weather. It's so cool. Also, I am working on my work. Yeah, this is WhatsApp, and I have been working from now at half an hour something. Yeah. So yeah, today is a work day. Hi guys. Can you hear the voice? Mama is cooking dinner for me, and it's only 5:20 PM, and अभी से ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत बजते चले गए. It feels like it's 8:30 almost, but it's only 5:20. यहाँ का weather is really sleepy, and I feel of like I had plans of doing my shoot and everything, but everything just went to crap. So mama is cooking vegetable for me, and I'll be having roti and vegetable only. I just did munching on some nuts, which was akroad, pista, raisins. Yeah, so that's it. Today wasn't a busy day, it was a good day. Okay, hi guys, good morning. So it's 22nd September, it's a Tuesday, and I'm really sorry मैं कल का रात का डिनर का I just forgot to vlog. I was in another zone and it is new for me to do weekly vlog. बस आदत नहीं है, but yeah, I am coping with it and I'll make sure कि आज मैं I'll try कि मैं पूरा दिन दिखाऊँ. So what we are going to do today is, सबसे पहले we are going to have my bath, because मैंने कल बहुत लेट बात किया था. I don't want to do that. So सबसे पहले बात करूँगी, then I'm going to have my cornflakes, and वो मैं अभी दिखा दूँगी. कल warm water जैसे आज मैंने warm water ले लिया. My phone was on charging, so didn't vlog that part. Yeah, and उसके बाद I'm gonna make something related to my diet, which is homemade, and
आई एम गोना ट्राई इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, सो लेट्स गो. तो मैं नहाने के बाद मिलती हूँ तुम सबको. ऑल्सो दिस इज माई बालकनी पार्ट. या लाइक हियर यूजुअली इट्स लाइक हम लोग ने यहाँ पे प्लांट्स रखा था, बट दे वर नॉट एक्चुअली लिविंग अ हेल्दी लाइफ हियर. या बहुत ज़्यादा उन्हें इश्यूज हो रहे थे. सो वॉट वी हैव डिड इज लाइक we have kept this plants here and baki ka we have shifted in our living area. So yeah, this is my balcony area. Oops. Yeah, this is my balcony area.
I've been wanting something from me. You ain't giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from me. You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
Look who just had a bath. तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, अभी हम बनाने वाले हैं रागी बिस्किट्स. रागी को नाचनी भी बोलते हैं मराठी में. सो यप, वी आर गोना मेक दैट because for me nachni is really important part of my diet, and I don't want to spend or invest because I don't actually trust ragi biscuit जो बाहर बनते हैं, because I am not sure about the sugar, because here I can like control the sugar amount जितना मुझे चाहिए उतना. So yep, let's go. Okay. So ये है wheat flour and this is ragi. So you guys can see the difference. थोड़ा सा difference. It's really very white and it's little bit of like this structure. So what we are gonna do is like हम सबसे पहले तो चारों for that. ये tiny हो गया.
3 hours later.
तो यहाँ पे मैंने चास के ले लिया. ये नाचनी प्लस वीट फ्लावर है, रागी फ्लावर प्लस वीट फ्लावर, and it's 12:20 p.m. already, so I have to quickly shift to. So this is my lunch. This is brinjal vegetable, वांग्याची भाजी आणि चपाती. So I don't actually usually eat itna early, but today I have my fitness which is at 3 p.m. But for that I have to lunch और फिर उसको digest होने में take 1 or 2 hours. So yep, that's why. मेरा हाथ Okay, so I don't know, I didn't vlog that much, but I'll show what all I have done. Okay, so this is the dough. So what I have done here is like I have used ghee instead of butter in it, and I have used this sugar. Actually I used just this, like iska bhi half I have used because I wanted less only sugar in my dough. And yes, and it has vanilla essence and one teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I have made this dough. Now what I'm gonna do is like ये plastic foil है that I'm gonna wrap, and then I'm gonna keep it in the freezer. So I have wrapped it like this, and now we are gonna keep it in the freezer. keep it now for 5-10 minutes and then I'll show आगे का procedure. Also this YouTube, I saw this in a YouTube video. I'll share the link in the description. You guys can go and check because I'm not a chef, so it's better that you learn from the expert who is at this. और प्रीहीट हो रहा है एंड यहाँ पे द बैटर इज़ रेडी. थोड़े गोल है थोड़े नहीं है बट ठीक है. अब ये मैं बताऊँगी आफ्टर बेकिंग इज़ done. Here are the cookies. Yeah. और उसमें से दीदी ने 2 खा लिए हैं. अब मुझे इसको सबको छुपा के रखना पड़ेगा. चलो छुपाते हैं. माँ, दीदी और पापा दोनों इतने ज़्यादा ये खाते हैं ना, मेरे को रखेंगे ही नहीं. So I'm ready for gym now. I'm wearing black track pant and this top. 3-4 साल हो गए इसको. So let's go. After so long, I'm vlogging from my छोटू camera, my छोटा phone. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot everything in this phone because I would be needing the other phone for fitness and for doing regular exercise. So yeah, here it is started and now we'll start our workout, waiting for our sir to join.
You make me let nothing. Oh.
One, two, three, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh my god. Struggle is real. Finally done with the workout. Good job, Sanjata. Hello guys. अरे ऐसा तो नहीं.